Today I'm going to show you how to add VBA code in PowerPoint step by step so you can create simple macros, automate tasks, and make your presentations much more powerful. If you've ever wanted to run custom code inside PowerPoint, this is the exact process you need to follow. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is enable the Developer tab in PowerPoint. By default, this tab is hidden, so if you don't see it on your ribbon, don't worry, that's completely normal. Start by clicking File, then go to Options. This will open the PowerPoint Options window where you can customize different parts of the program. On the left-hand side, click Customize Ribbon. Now look for the list of main tabs on the right side and find Developer. Check the box next to Developer, then click OK. Once you do that, you should now see the Developer tab appear at the top of PowerPoint. This is the tab you'll use whenever you want to work with VBA code, macros, or other advanced tools. If you're following along, this step is essential because without the Developer tab, you won't be able to access the VBA Editor easily. Now that the Developer tab is enabled, the next step is to open the VBA Editor. Click on the Developer tab, then choose Visual Basic. This will launch the Visual Basic for Applications Editor, which is where you'll write and manage your code. If it opens in a separate window, that's exactly what should happen. This editor is the place where all your PowerPoint VBA scripts are created and stored. Next, you need to insert a new module. In the VBA editor, go to the top menu and click Insert, then select Module. A module is basically a blank workspace where you can paste or type your VBA code. Once the module opens, you'll see a white code window ready for input. This is where your macro lives. Now, you can type your VBA code. For example, you could use a simple message box macro like this. Sub hello message, then MSG box hello from PowerPoint, then end sub. This is a very basic example, but it's perfect for testing whether your VBA setup is working correctly. You can replace this with your own custom code later, once you're comfortable with the process. After entering your code, the next step is to run it. You can do this by pressing F5 on your keyboard or by clicking the Run button in the VBA editor. If everything is set up correctly, PowerPoint will execute the code and you should see the result right away. In the example we used, a message box will appear saying hello from PowerPoint. That means your VBA code is working properly. If nothing happens, go back and double check your code for typing mistakes, missing words, or incorrect punctuation. VBA is very strict, so even a small error can stop a macro from running. If you're just starting out, it helps to begin with very simple code like this before moving on to more advanced automation. Once your code is working, the final step is to save your file correctly. This is very important because standard PowerPoint files do not keep macros. To make sure your VBA code stays in the presentation, go to File, then Save As, and choose PowerPoint Macro Enabled Presentation, which uses the .pptm file format. If you save it as a regular .pptx file, your macro code may be removed or disabled. So to recap, you enable the Developer tab, open the VBA editor, insert a module, add your code, run it, and then save the presentation as a macro-enabled file. That's the full process for adding VBA code in PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.